Unlock the secrets to profitable trading by mastering Bybit's charting tools. Let's dive in. First, make sure you're logged into your Bybit account. Then, hover your mouse over the Derivatives tab at the top left of the screen. This will reveal a drop-down menu. In that menu, select USDT Perpetual, or whichever contract type you prefer to trade, for example, Inverse Perpetual or Spot. This takes you to the trading interface. The main chart area is located in the center of the screen, usually taking up the majority of the visual space. Bybit defaults to Trading View charts, which are robust and user-friendly. To change the time frame displayed, look at the top left corner of the chart. You'll see options like 1 meter, 5 meters, 15 meters, 1H, and 1D, representing 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 1 day respectively. Click on the time frame that suits your trading strategy. To add indicators, click on the Indicators button near the top of the chart. This will open a search bar where you can type in the name of the indicator you want to use, such as RSI, MACD, or moving averages. Click on an indicator to add it to your chart. For drawing trend lines, support and resistance levels, or other technical analysis marks, find the Drawing Tools icon on the left side of the chart. From there, you can select from a variety of tools like trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, and more. Experiment with these tools to find what works best for your trading style. With practice, you'll be reading charts like a pro and making more informed trading decisions on Bybit. Don't forget to subscribe for more crypto trading tips.